come inside for a little lie down with me? And if you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. But when I wake up, your makeup's on my shoulder. And tell me if I lie down, would you stay now and let me hold ya? Oh, but if I kiss